Stop scrolling because this is a major credit alert. There is a huge credit report and change that just rolled out. And if you don't act fast, your score could drop or you could miss out on a higher approvals. Now, this is no politics. This is the real information that impacts your loans, your credit cards, and approval starting right now. Now, credit reporting companies are shaking things up a bit once again. Here's what we know right now. There will be more accounts are now being reported, new rules for late payments. Collections guidelines are now changing, new scoring model rolling out, buy now, pay later reporting expanding, higher verification requirements for credit applications. Now, these few changes that I did list will affect almost every single American. Now, these changes are definitely important and they do matter. These changes will hit three major credit categories. So, one will be your payment history. So, late payments may update faster and stay longer under new models. Then, the second one will be your credit mix. So, new types of accounts like BNPL now affects your credit score. And last but not least, your credit utilization. So, with lenders are tightening limits, meaning high balance may hurt your credit score even more than they used to. Now, let's be honest, the people who will feel this the most are anyone living paycheck to paycheck, anyone carrying high credit card balances, anyone with medical collections, anyone paying or applying for new credit soon, anyone who hasn't checked their credit report this year. So, these new reporting updates can either help you or absolutely crush your credit score. Now, if you're wondering how can you protect your credit score, here are the fastest fixes before these changes hit your credit report. So you want to make sure that you pay your smallest balance first. This drops your utilization a lot faster. My next idea will be open a credit builder account. So this adds perfect payment history automatically. The third one would be remove any medical collections under $500. They are not supposed to be reported, okay? They are not supposed to be reported at all. And also add rental reporting. So this is a quick, easy 20 to 60 points that can definitely help you to raise your credit score. My last but not least will also to be clean up old addresses plus names. Now this reduces mismatch reporting. This is where your credit repair brands fit in naturally, okay? Now, the biggest mistakes people are making right now in today's society is applying for new credit blindly. Okay, so because reporting is changing, lenders are tightening approvals, you need to know true utilization, payment history, reporting errors, inquiries, and risk factors. Do not apply for anything until you clean up your credit report. And if you need credit help, you already know I got you covered. Whether you need credit repair templates, credit disputing, a credit plan, or a custom review, just message me or click the link in the description. And I help people every single day to help raise their credit score and to build a healthier credit profile. Now, listen up, you guys. These new changes are real and they are live and they can affect your financial life immediately. So, I want you guys to drop credit in the comments if you want me to break down the new scoring model in the next video. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video. And remember to let's keep building our credit